Hi friends, I am Adam from Malaysia. I am 11 years old and I am studying in Montero International School. Today I'm going to tell you a story about three sons and a bundle of sticks. Once upon a time, in a village, an old man lived with his three sons. All his three sons were hard workers, but still none of them agreed with each other and quarreled all the time. The old man tried a lot to unite them, but he failed. While the villagers were hard works, made fun of their fights. Months passed by and the old man fell sick. He talked to his sons to stay united, but none of his sons heard his words. So he decided to teach them a practical lesson, so it would shut off their differences. The old man called his sons. He told them, I will give you a bundle of sticks. Separate each sticks, and you will have to break each sticks into pieces of two. The one who breaks the sticks quickly will be rewarded more. The old man gave a bundle of 10 sticks to every one of them and asked to break it into pieces. All the sons broke sticks into pieces. Again, they started to quarrel among themselves as who came first. The old man said, Dear sons, the game is not over. Now I will give you another bundle of sticks, but you will have to break the sticks as a bundle. And again, all the sons agreed. They began to break the bundle. They tried very hard to break it, but they failed to complete the task. All sons said to their father about their failure. The old man replied, Dear sons, see, you can easily break the single sticks into pieces, but you are not able to break the bundle. The sticks were the same. So if you stay united, nobody can harm you. But if you quarrel all the time with your brothers, anyone can easily defeat you. I request you to stay united. All the three sons understood the power of unity, and they promised their father that whatever be the problem, they would all stay together. So you see, the lesson learned here is unity is strength. Thank you all for listening.